Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Dami and this is your go-to channel when it comes to free tech resources, free training, free certifications, cybersecurity career path, cybersecurity training, everything tech. We're going to be doing a lot of cybersecurity hands-on on this channel, so go ahead, make sure you click on that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a video. To my returning subscribers, I want to say a big thank you to you guys. Thank you for always tuning in. Thank you for riding with me. I appreciate you guys. So let's get into today's video. Are you planning to take the CompTIA Security Plus certification? In this video, I'll be sharing a lot of resources, tips, and guide on how to pass this exam in one trial. So make sure you watch this video to the end. CompTIA certification is one of the most popular technology certification in the world. So the CompTIA Security Plus certification is designed to help you get your foot in the cybersecurity space. It actually shows employers you already understand the basics of cybersecurity and you know what cybersecurity entails. CompTIA Security Plus is an entry-level cybersecurity certification. It takes you through everything you need to know about cybersecurity from a beginner's perspective. So it actually takes you through all the basics you need to know, everything you need to know about cybersecurity. If you are looking to pivot into the cybersecurity space, or maybe you want to find a career in the cybersecurity industry, they will advise you take the Network Plus before taking the Security Plus. But from my own experience, I would say you don't need to take the Network Plus certification. You can actually get a network course on Udemy or even on YouTube. There are a lot of networking courses you can actually use to get the basic understanding of networking, because the Network Plus is actually a certification that takes you to the fundamental learning of networking. So I believe you can actually pull that off by watching YouTube videos and also getting courses on Udemy, LinkedIn, whichever works for you. Why they say you need the network experience is because as a security professional, yeah, you're taking the Security Plus certification and you're trying to find your way to cybersecurity career path. So as a cybersecurity professional, you're expected to have a basic understanding and to know how network works. You get to know every port, things like that, because you're actually securing the network. So if you don't have the basic understanding of networking, so how are you going to perform your day-to-day role? How are you going to secure the network if you don't understand how the network works? So that's why they prefer you get the Network Plus certification before getting the Security Plus certification. But I would say if you are already knowledgeable in the computer space, if you know how computer works, then I don't think you really need to get the Network Plus. This exam does not require any prerequisites as it's an entry-level certification, so make sure you familiarize yourself with the basis of cybersecurity. It's just the basis of cybersecurity. The training is going to teach you the fundamentals of cybersecurity, so you're going to learn everything. So make sure you familiarize yourself with the basis of cybersecurity. So this exam is actually for 90 minutes and 90 questions. So you have 1 minute for each question. So you want to go at the fast pace so you don't get caught up with time. 90 minutes for 90 questions. I would say when you're registering for this exam, I would advise to register for a voucher that has a retake to be on the safe side. I know a lot of people say, I just want to register it and I want to devote all my time in this and make sure I pass it once. Yes, you can do it. With the resources I'll be sharing in this video, you will definitely pass this exam in one trial. Since they have the option of a retake, I would advise you take the voucher that has a retake just to be on the safe side. The passing score for this exam is 750 and above to have the certification. This certification takes you through 5 different cybersecurity domains. So basically, they are going to test you on these 5 domains. One is attacks and threat vulnerabilities. 2, architecture design. 3, implementation. 4, operation and incident response. 5, governance, risk, and compliance. The 90 questions are going to come from these 5 domains. They will test your basic understanding on these domains. Most of the questions are scenario-based questions, so it's not a straightforward question. So make sure you understand the basis so you can answer each question. So let's get into the resources I used while preparing for this exam. I used 4 different resources. I know it's a lot of resources, but I was just trying to lay my hand on every resources I could get just to understand each domain from different tutors perspective. And I think that kind of helped me, and it kind of shaped me into the industry as well. Not just passing the exam, but I was able to retain the knowledge by hearing other people's perspectives. One of the resources I used is Jason Dion CompTIA Security Plus course. It comes with a practice test. I got that on Udemy. It's also on Oreilly. If you have Oreilly subscription, I'm not sure if it's on LinkedIn Cleaning, but I'm very sure it's on Oreilly and Udemy. The second resource I used is Mike Chappell. Mike Chappell is on LinkedIn Cleaning, and it's very, very detailed. Like, it breaks down everything you need to know about cybersecurity. The third resources I used is Professor Mesa. Professor Mesa resources is one of the free resources you will get. You will lay your hands on while preparing for this exam, because Professor Mesa breaks everything down and it's totally free. Professor Mesa is on YouTube, so make sure you check out Professor Mesa's study guide on YouTube. Like, I haven't seen anyone that did this Security Plus. Like, I haven't met anyone that passed the Security Plus and didn't go through Professor Mesa's study guide. Like, is that top notch? So make sure you check out Professor Mesa. I'll make sure I put the links to all these resources in the description box so you can actually grab them. The last resources I used is the all-in-one CompTIA Security Plus. This is a textbook, so if you're that person that likes textbooks, I got the Kindle version. It's also on Kindle, so you can buy it off Kindle. But if you like textbook, if you like reading textbook, you can get that on Amazon. I'll make sure I link it in the description box as well. The textbook is very detailed, like explain everything you need to know in cybersecurity. Like, with all these resources, I believe you are good to go. Just go ahead, make sure you register for this exam, take the exam, let me know what you think, pass this exam. Like, with these resources, you're in good hands, honestly, because these are one of the best resources I used. So guys, that's it about today's video. I hope you like it. I hope you learned something. I hope you find this video valuable. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and let me know if you have any question as well, and I'll make sure I respond to every one of you. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your family and friends if you have anyone that is willing to take the Security Plus certification or pivoting into cybersecurity. Also, click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a video. I'll catch you guys in my next one, and until then, bye.